Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to cancel refund request on Cash App. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide and easy workaround on how to cancel or withdraw a Cash App refund request. So to get started, the first thing to do is to open the Cash App app and go to your activities tab. So launch the app and tap the activities icon, which is the clock icon, to view your recent transaction. Then tap the payment with the pending refund request. So select the specific payment you previously sent and ask to be refunded. So no cancel option available. Unlike payment, you can cancel immediately. So refund request can be cancelled manually once sent, so you won't see a cancel button in the app. So wait it out. Refund request expire automatically. So if the request doesn't approve or decline, the request remain pending and stays on your activities list for up to 14 days, after which it expires on its own. And that's how you can easily cancel refund request on Cash App. Hope you find the video a little more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.